Welcome to T Project. Step-by-step guide from exchange registration to purchase and transfer of TTTU tokens. To use the T Project products, you need to acquire TTTU tokens, which can be bought on an exchange. This guide provides step-by-step instructions on how to register on the MEXC exchange, buy USDT for the subsequent purchase of TTTU tokens, transfer tokens from the exchange to the T wallet, and withdraw them back to the exchange. Registration on MEXC. Open the MEXC app and tap the account icon. Then tap Login to continue. The first login is considered registration. Choose your preferred registration method, email or mobile phone number. Enter your email address or mobile phone number and set a password. Note that you need to set a medium or high complexity password to proceed with registration. After clicking Next, you will receive an automatically generated verification code on your phone/email, depending on the registration method. Enter the verification code to complete the account registration. Verification on MEXC. After successful registration, you can immediately undergo KYC verification. A pop-up window will offer you two identity verification options: Basic KYC and Advanced KYC. We recommend going through Advanced KYC. After fulfilling requirements, your verification application will be submitted for review. This usually takes 15 to 45 minutes. To check whether the exchange has approved your application or not, open the MEXC app and click on the account icon. Then, click on the arrow next to your username. If verification is successful, you will see KYC completed under your username in the opened tab. Purchase USDT using a credit card. To purchase TTTU tokens, you first need to acquire USDT. The easiest way to do this is by purchasing with a credit card. To do this, log into the exchange's application or website. Go to Wallets, then click on the Buy Crypto button. Select the Debit/Credit Card or Express tab and enter the desired amount in your preferred currency. Take into account the minimum purchase amount, typically $10 or €10. Add and confirm your credit card details, then click the Buy Now button. Note that exchanges sometimes restrict withdrawals of purchased crypto for 24 to 48 hours after the purchase. After a successful purchase, you will see the purchased amount in USD in your wallets. Purchasing TTTU tokens on MEXC. Once you have acquired the required amount of USDT, click the Trade button in the bottom menu of the app. Then select the currently chosen cryptocurrency in the top left corner and enter TTTU in the search. Choose the desired purchase price of the token. Usually, the current market price is selected by default. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to use to purchase the tokens and click the Buy TTTU button. Then confirm the purchase. Note that with a limit order set this way, it might take some time for the order to be fulfilled if there are not enough tokens for sale at your entered price. Transferring TTTU tokens to T wallet balance. For using high-yield T Project products, you need to transfer tokens to your T wallet balance. First, register in the T Project Telegram bot at T_projects_bot. Then proceed to transfer your tokens to the T Project wallet balance. First, go to the Wallets button in the MEXC app to the list of purchased cryptocurrencies. Click the Withdraw button and select the previously purchased TTTU. Then click On-Chain Withdrawal in the pop-up menu. In the withdrawal address, enter T Project Home, then select the EOS network. Enter your primary memo in the identifier field. To do this, go to the T Project app and copy your memo from the home screen. Paste it into the identifier field. Enter the withdrawal amount. Consider the network fees specified for the transfer. Confirm the withdrawal and follow all required steps to confirm the transaction. After a successful transfer, your tokens will arrive in your T-wallet within a few minutes. Open the app, check the transfer notification and your balance. Depositing T-wallet balance in USDT via transfer from exchange. To top up the T-wallet balance in USDT via transfer from the exchange, open the T-Project app. Go to T-Wallet. Click on USDT in the list. Click Deposit. Select USDT again on the deposit screen. Choose the EOS network. Copy the T-Project home address shown below for the USDT transfer from the exchange. Open the exchange app. Go to Wallet. Click on USDT. Click Withdraw. In the pop-up menu, select On-Chain Withdrawal. Fill in the following fields in the new window. Paste the previously copied address T-Project Home into the Withdrawal Address field. Select the EOS network. For the identifier field, go back to the T-Project app and copy the memo. Enter the withdrawal amount. Note the network transfer fee which is deducted automatically. Confirm the withdrawal and follow all steps to verify your transaction. After a successful withdrawal, you will receive a notification in the T-Project bot within a few minutes and can check the updated balance in T-Wallet. Depositing the Cryptobot balance in USDT from an exchange. Open the Cryptobot app in Telegram at @Cryptobot. Click Start. Select Wallet in the menu. Click Deposit. Select Tether USDT. Choose the Tron TRC20 network. Click on the displayed address to copy it. Open the Exchange app. Go to Wallets. Select USDT. Click Withdraw. Fill in the following fields in the pop-up window. Paste the copied address from Cryptobot into the withdrawal address field. Select the TRX Tron TRC20 network. Enter the withdrawal amount. Note the network fee for the withdrawal. Confirm the withdrawal and follow all steps to verify your transaction. After a successful withdrawal, you will receive a notification about the balance update in Cryptobot within a few minutes. With similar actions, you can top up Cryptobot from any exchange. Depositing T-Wallet balance in USDT via Cryptobot. Open the T-Project app. Go to T-Wallet. Select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Choose the bot network. Enter the amount of USDT which does not exceed your Cryptobot balance. Click Create Invoice link. The link can also be copied and sent to someone for payment. Exit the app and go to the T-Project bot where you can see the invoice payment link. Click the link and confirm payment using your Cryptobot. After successful payment of the invoice, you will receive a notification about the balance update in your T-app and you can check your balance. Withdrawing TTTU to the exchange. Open your exchange app. Go to Wallets. Click Deposit in the next window. Select TTTU cryptocurrency. Copy the EOS deposit address, in this case MEXC deposit. Open the T-app. Click on T-Wallet. Click Withdraw when displaying the TTTU balance. Select TTTU again. Paste the copied address MEXC deposit into the address field. Copy your identifier/memo from the Exchange app. Paste the copied identifier into the memo field in T-app. Attention! Please make sure to enter your Exchange memo to avoid loss of funds. This is a common mistake made by users. Enter the withdrawal amount and click Withdraw. You will receive a notification about the withdrawal of the selected amount in the T app within a few minutes. Check the balance in your exchange wallet. Congratulations! You are now ready to fully use the T Project products.